Okay, here's another project that I kind of squeezed in. It's a Marx 591. It had a broken pilot. The pilot was broken off about right here. So I cut the rest of the pilot off, and I cut the pilot off of 8141 Lionel, one of those ones with a mighty sound of steam from the MPC era. And I was able to fit that in. I used some Plastruct to hold it in there, as well as some milliput putty. And so I gave it kind of a patriotic, I guess Americana you'd call it, and made it the American Freedom Train. And to go along with it, I made some cabooses into passenger cars. And I also put some of the founding fathers on it. I'll show you those in a second here. So I thought I'd share that with you, and here we go. We'll move it up a little bit. Okay, so we have George Washington and John Adams. And also Benjamin Franklin and Thomas Jefferson. And I made handrails on the front and the back of the cars using all the surveyor flags, the pieces of the metal stakes from those little orange surveyor flags. And also made my own decals, made pinstripes. I found images online of the presidents and also the American Freedom Train and insignia. And so then I decided to put lights in them. I used that .006 feeler gauge type material, make my own pickup shoes out of it, and put just a regular 18-volt light bulb inside. So we'll take it for a spin. I'll see if the camera can pick it up. In the front of the rear portals on each passenger cars, I use blue masking tape as well as a plastic red lid to make that shine through, and you can also see the handrails. All right, runs good. I'm really happy with it. I like the Americana look. I like the patriotic stuff. So thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.